If you own a Ford F-150, you've probably wrestled with that mysterious back seat latch at least once. The thing sits there like a treasure chest waiting to be opened, and most people wind up fumbling for way too long to crack it. The pain point is universal. You want to flip up the rear seat for that extra cargo space, but it feels like Ford hid the release just to mess with us. I've watched grown adults break a sweat, looking for buttons that don't exist. Here's the trick with the F-150's back seat latch. Instead of a visible lever, there's usually a hidden strap or tab tucked between the seat back and the bottom cushion. Some years, Ford installed a little nylon strap that blends right in. Hardly obvious. I genuinely believe Ford's interior designers could moonlight in the CIA, because the first time I tried, I spent 5 good minutes convinced my seat was glued down. And this isn't a read the manual problem. Most manuals barely describe it. For models with the split bench, check for a pull tab on the passenger or driver side, down near where the seat and the seat back meet. It's sometimes a little plastic loop, black on black, so it vanishes in shadows. Step 1. Feel with your fingers under the seat back, right at the seam. If you find a strap or nylon loop, that's your ticket. Also, check both sides. Ford likes to swap up the placement depending on trim level just to keep you humble. If you are thinking, I don't feel anything, you've reached peak Ford experience. Sometimes crumbs and debris wedge themselves in, making the pull tab even less accessible. Pro tip, do a quick vacuum sweep before your treasure hunt. When you find the strap or latch, pull toward you with a confident yank. If you're gentle, it'll laugh at you and refuse to budge. This is one of those situations where being assertive helps. Just don't hulk out and break the handle. Now, with a good tug, the seat should pop free, and you can flip it up to make room for gear, pet crates, or those IKEA runs we all regret. The impact? You can gain instantly 4 to 6 extra cubic feet of storage. No small number for city parking woes. If the seat is stubborn, double-check for child seat anchors that could be snagged. They love catching on anything. Do yourself a favor and just unclip those before you even start. Trust me, it saves 10 minutes of head scratching. Another classic pain point, broken latches. If your seat pull seems dead, it's almost always the cheap plastic hook inside that snapped. Amazon sells replacements for $10 or so, and it's a 15-minute swap even for DIY noobs. Finally, if you find yourself cursing in your driveway, don't feel bad. At least twice a month, someone in the F-150 forums posts about being defeated by the latch. It's a rite of passage at this point. Almost makes you feel like a member of a secret club.